I want to take a look at Star Wars The Force Awakens Revell Snap-Type Max Series Kylo Ren's Command Shuttle. This kit is 1/93rd scale, retails right around $35–40, and is available online or at your local hobby shop. Always start with the box. Beautiful box art. I called it standard box art as I could not find an artist who painted it. The instruction sheet, more of a booklet, and looks pretty self-explanatory. There's no painting guide on the instructions because this is a pre-painted kit. Kit's roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprues. Roughly has 53 pieces to it. It may be hard to see, but it is pre-painted, and a lot of the sprues on here is a green color, almost olive drab type color, and then of course you have the black plastic. So start with this sprue, main body, and this is the bottom of the ship for the landing, for the ramp that lowers down. Detail on it's pretty sharp. I don't see any flash or anything of that nature. The ramp there. The top of the ship. Again, detail is very excellent. Now it is pre-painted, but you can add some weathering and or it can be repainted. The wings, I'm just going to show one set because the other side's identical. Again, I don't see any sinkholes or flash or anything of that nature. And roughly the wing measures almost 14 inches tall. Not too shabby. And you do get one clear part, and that is the front of the ship there. Looks to be like a great kit. I highly recommend it. The Revell's Kylo Ren's Command Shuttle.